Guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to smoke your mackerel fish at home. As you guys can see, I am removing the gills and also I am cutting the middle of the fish just so I could remove all the dirt from the fish. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. It is free. Subscribe, click the bell icon so that you can join the JEmmieGold family. So enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see, I am removing all the black blood from the fish. You need to clean your fish thoroughly because there tends to be black blood inside the spine of the fish. So as you can see, I am cleaning the fish again with clean water and I'm using my hand to remove all the black blood. So after cleaning the fish, I will add all of the fish into my plastic. I will go ahead and add salt and also use the salt to rub the body of the fish. Then I will toss it into my oven. So this is what the fish looks like after 30 minutes in the oven. All I did was to bring it out and I flip it over. After flipping it over, I put it back into the oven for another 30 minutes. So guys, this is the end result. It is cool now, it is not hot, and as you guys can see, it is pretty much strong. You can use this fish to cook any kind of Nigerian soup like egusi. You can put it in your ogbono, spinach, vegetable soup. You can eat it alone, and also you can use it to take gari. You can use it to drink gari, which is my favorite. Drinking gari with smoked fish.